Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Ron's Keto Café, Chaffles for Life, episode number 81. Today we're making a minty flavored base chaffle. Today we will need 1 egg, half a cup of chopped cheddar cheese, and a teaspoon of minty extract. And just be careful with the extract because the flavor was very strong, I found. And then just mix it all together like we normally been doing. Get your little mini dash going. And then to clean up the mess, always we just use a damn paper towel. So we'll come back and talk about it after the process is done and give you my take on this. And hope you enjoy your day, enjoy the video, and see you in the next one. And again, we'll be coming back and do a final review. Okay, so we are back. So I put these on the cooling rack to get them nice and dry, and these came out really, really great. And I would encourage you, each and every one of you guys, to continue experimenting. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Again, these were very strong and flavored, and I would probably recommend a scoop of vanilla ice cream, sugar-free, of course, if you're doing low-carb weight loss. But again, these came out great, and see you on the next video. And I hope you have an amazing day, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.